This zesty orange vinaigrette or dressing is perfect for a brunch salad. I love it with quiche.
If you want the recipe for this easy breakfast or brunch quiche, Lorraine, click the link at the end of this video.
It's fantastic with any lettuce, but my favorite is butter lettuce with strawberries and pecans.
I prefer and recommend canola oil or vegetable oil over the olive oil because I want to actually taste the orange and other subtle flavors. But even with using olive oil,
I made sure that the oil is perfectly balanced with the acidity of the apple cider vinegar and the orange juice. Then Dijon mustard and honey are the emulsifiers that really bring out a depth of flavor.
So you'll want 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice and 2 teaspoons of fresh orange zest, 2 tablespoons of regular honey or orange blossom honey, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil this time solely because someone requested. If you do use olive oil, it will congeal in the refrigerator, so you'll need a blender to get it pourable again. Okay, so using a microplane, zest a well-washed orange until you get 2 tablespoons and save some of that peel so that you can zest over the salad when serving. Press and roll the oranges to get more juice out of them. Juice the oranges to get 1/2 cup, and you'll need 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. In a bowl, combine the orange juice and vinegar, add 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. Then add your 1/2 cup of oil and 2 teaspoons of the zest. Whisk it well and taste. If you want, you can add orange juice or vinegar.
And you don't want to skimp on the pepper and salt because that's what really brings out all of this flavor. If you serve it right now, you'll have a nice vinaigrette. I put mine overnight in the refrigerator to make it a little bit thicker and it's more of a dressing consistency. Okay, I'm going to dress this lightly and I'm going to top it with some strawberries and pecans. As I mentioned before, it is perfect with quiche. If you want my quiche recipe, just click right here. And you gotta make this.
Please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.